अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। जो हमने स्टडी मटेरियल दिया क्लास 5th, वहाँ पे डे 4 और डे 6 में मिसप्रिंट हुआ। एक तो एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस बाय ड्राइंग मेथड, दूसरा सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस बाय ड्राइंग मेथड। इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन किया ताकि आप फिर ठीक से करोगे, आपको समझ में भी आएगा। इसीलिए मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया क्लास 5th के लिए। तो जो फ्रैक्शन एग्जाम्पल वहाँ पे है दैट इज 2/5 प्लस 3/8। पहला स्टेप क्या है? बाय ड्राइंग मेथड, whenever we have to add the fractions by drawing method, first one setup is we have to represent both the fractions by drawing. So you can see the first one fraction is 2/5. Here we have drawn a rectangle and we divided the rectangle horizontally into 5 equal parts, and out of 5 parts we are going to shade 2 parts. This one is one part and this one is second part. So what we have done, we represent the first fraction 2/5 by drawing, and now we are going to represent second fraction 3/8 by drawing. And in this, vertically we divided the rectangle into 8 equal parts because denominator is here 8. So we divided this rectangle into 8 equal parts, and out of 8 parts we are going to shade 3 parts. This is one part, this is second part, and this is third part. Clear? This was the first setup. Represent both the fractions by drawing. This one is 2/5, this one is 3/8. And now what we have to do, we have to overlap both. We have to represent both the fractions in another drawing, in another rectangle. First of all, we are going to represent these two 2/5. So here we are going to shade the two parts which we have shaded here. That is one part, this is one part, this is second part. Clear, my dear? Whatever we have done here, same we have done, same part we have shaded here. And now we are going to shade these 3 parts like this. Now we have shaded both the fractions in one rectangle, means overlap these two. Now what we are going to do, we are going to count now shaded parts. But you have seen here, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts shaded 2 times, black as well as green. Why? This black represents of this one fraction, green represents of another fraction. Green of first fraction, black of second fraction. So we have to count now these shaded parts, but which we have shaded 2 times, those we have to count 2 times. Means one will represent 2. Like this, you can see here, this one is double shaded. What we will do, we will count here 1, 2. This one also double shaded, 3, 4. This one also double shaded, 5, 6. This one also double shaded, 7, 8. This one also double shaded, 9, 10. This one also double shaded, 11, 12. And now rest we have to count only one time. Why? Because they are single shaded. Now it is up to 12. This one is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 and 31. How many parts are shaded now? 31. 31. Now out of total number of parts, you have seen here, they are total number of parts are here in this rectangle, that is 40. What is our answer? That is 31/40. Our answer is 31/40. This is by drawing. This is by drawing method. Now we will check by LCM method. When we convert both the fractions into like. Already we have learned that. Now I am going to explain that also here. LCM of 5 and 8. LCM of the denominators, that is LCM of 8 and 5, that is 40. Clear? Now what we will do? We are going to find equivalent fraction of first fraction with LCM as denominator, that is 2 by 5. And our denominator will be the LCM, that is 40. We are going to multiply it by 8 downside also, upside also, that is 2 8 are 16, 5 8 are 40. This is first one fraction. Now we are going to find the equivalent fraction of second fraction with LCM as denominator, that is 3 by 8, and denominator we have to keep 40. This number we will multiply here 5, upside also 5, 3 5s are 15 and 8 5 are 40. Now we got the equivalent fractions with LCM as the denominator. Now we are going to add 16 by 40, 15 by 40, that is 16 by 40 plus 15 by 40. Now denominators are same, common denominator downside 40, upside directly 16 plus 15, that is 31 by 40. By this way also we got the same answer. By drawing method also we got the same answer.